Hey guys, and today I'm going to show you on how to do your text in Minecraft like this. Looks cool, right? Well, I'm going to show you today. So what you're going to do is go to the link in my description, and you'll be taken to Google Docs, where you can copy and paste the symbol. This symbol will help you do the text glitch thing. And after you've done that, then you're going to paste the symbol, and then after that, put a K next to the symbol, and enter whatever you want. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all you want to do. And I hope this worked for you. If it doesn't, then let me know. Thank you for watching. You can also do this on your signs. Just watch. I hope this helps, like I said. Thank you for watching. You have a good day of yours.